one of the things that people are most interested in is composting, and also most intimidated about. It's actually not that difficult, and we really, really love helping people to start composting in their house. The cool thing about composting is that you have all these scraps from your kitchen that you're not using, or from your yard, that if you get those off your property, number one, you're making your soil worse, because all that should go back into your soil, because organic matter is what makes plants grow. And number two, if it goes off of your property, where is it going? It's probably going into a landfill where it makes greenhouse gases that are methane, that are way worse even than any carbon dioxide. So we really, and even are flammable. So they're literally burning them off so that the whole landfill doesn't catch fire, because people are just taking this really valuable resource and offshoring it off of their property. If you invite us over to your place to set up a compost pile and watch us turn it, all of a sudden you're like, oh my god, there's nothing that scary in there, and oh my god, cool, like pill bugs, you know? So it's really, really rewarding. It's really great for your soil. It's really great for the earth. It's really great for, you know, even exercise, turning compost. So that's one of the services we offer that we really like to get going for people once they feel ready. Composting is recycling. Composting is taking things that were trash and making something supremely useful and beautiful for your garden out of it, that will make your plants thrive. Composting makes our planet healthy, and it even makes you healthy. It has microbes in the soil that are necessary for your gut, literally that make you happy. So it's a really great thing to be doing. We love composting, and everybody who's compost curious, we encourage them to get into it. And if you have any speed bumps or doubts or questions along the way, we'd love to help you figure those out. It's usually way easier than you think it's going to be.